Kukuha ka na.
First time, sir, ma'am?
No.
First time here in Manila?
We're here in the second time around.
Second time dito magkamahin dito.
Dito kumain.
Second time. I am welcoming you to a Swedish culture of eating there in IKEA Pasay.
Yeah.
So you should follow online because there are lots of pagkain here. There are lots of delicacies here in IKEA. So here
in
get one,
get two, and get three. Yeah.
this is for you, this is for Piyamay, this is for
Nordic
me.
fruit water with less sugar than before. And spring with it.
You must be careful.
I remember
Yes.
the seashells.
You know,
Libon,
49 pesos.
Oh, di ba? Ulit ka, unlimited coke here.
I've gamit. Yeah.
Coke, unlimited coke.
Ulol ako. So
Sulit itong kuhaan eh.
if you're not falling high because
Walking from Park Hall to here in
to
IKEA.
a park so let's pila the lines so that we can get the food.
No. We're in the Baliw stage.
Hindi pa tayo kumakain guys. We are Circle version. We are the carriers of the pandemic of Paul and Peter. Peter Moling.
Peter Molly. Hi, Peter Molly.
Peter Moling, kung nasan ka man, ayos kayo.
Iniwan mo kami?
Hindi, naging pandemic na tayo sa mga, kabaliwan namin. Sa Pasimuno.
Nababaliw.
Babaliw na kami dito.
Ito na lang cake first. 180.
190.
That's taste one.
Taste one only.
One.
Yes.
Mag-video din
What
ka
if you are kainit?
Mag-video din ka itong kan mag-picture ko. Try ta ng carrot cake.
Carrot
Or
cake?
blueberry.
135.
Ay, carrot cake.
Ayun, pagkakaragay. Ayun na, sabi na.
Isa, mag-good. Kita ang tulog na.
Let's
try
half it in a tree.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Let's half. Natunga naman ni noon. Let's divide it into three. Let's divide it into three. We divide the cake into three. Me, you, and the one who's videoing it right now.
Enjoying it.
Videoing it.
Hi guys, welcome to your own vlog.
Yeah, to your own vlog right now. And Gil, we're waiting for the pudding. This is the brownie.
No, almost cake. Brownie.
You can get there if you want. You can get the cake if you want, guys.
What's
So
the
here,
what's cake?
the
heart
customer
cake?
is calling me. It's
Or
getting
almond
the
cake na lang kayo, mas better.
Yeah, the almond cake. Let's get the almond cake.
Okay. Thanks.
Let's get the
Calibration na gitna.
pinakamalaki.
Yun na ba?
Okay. Next.
Yes. Ay, si Sampon Barap. Ang sa pinapabit before the salmon became put into Youngstown, they cut the salmon into many pieces. And
These are my turkey.
one of our delicacy there in Swedish is the salmon wrap.
Salmon wrap.
Salmon wrap. No, the pronunciation of salmon is salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon. Yeah,
I got it.
the salmon. We can get the salmon here.
Can I buy salmon?
Salmon. No, but we pronounce it salmon.
No, marinated salmon. Is that marinated
We
salmon?
will not get it there because our order is that. There. You see that? There's lots of foods in Sweden, in the cultures of Sweden.
Asan na mga kagpanli? Kaning coca ni unlimited.
Just there. We will buy the food. We'll buy the drinks. For us to refill our drinks.
Reveal our energy.
And to fill our energy in your flight for for later at 4 a.m.
No, 3 a.m.
3 a.m.
Yeah.
The schedule as transferred.
Yes.
Yeah, I see.
From 4 a.m. They
Don't worry, we got lots of chicas while we're waiting for the flight. Cebu Pac is Cebu Pac is malfunctioning right now. if the schedule is today, 8 p.m. Yeah. If the schedule is today at 8 p.m., we're gonna go home.
Mo gini problem ni Kwan. So to Molly Petter and Vanessa So.
Vanessa So. I am one of the carriers of the two.
Curious of Vanessa So and the Molly Petter.
Don't you worry, we're gonna comment 1TT.
Review.
Comment amazing. Amazing.
Review 1TT.
1TT. Amazing. That's what I'll say. Amazing. No, that's all. Amazing people, amazing friends, amazing tour. Amazing. Yeah.
That's 1 hour order first.
Let's go.
So we are ordering right now.
Yes.
So this is the bus of the tubig.
Kaya Mike, video this. In Sweden, we say lagom, which means not too much, not too little. In our culture, lagom means you're too black. So you cannot say the N-word right now.
Yes.
You cannot say the N-word because it's vile. It's derogative. So,
In Sweden.
yes. I will help at Hazel for the tubig. For the tubig at langis.
With extra rice?
Yeah, extra rice.
Yes. This is it.
Yes. Stricto sila sa glass. They are strict on glass. Yes.
49?
Tapos na yun, itong water, sparkling.
Sparkling water.
Dito yabu.
No. Can't do that. After we put the...
Guys, we have the unlimited soft drinks here and the
diabetes. Get ready for diabetes. Yes. Because we're gonna eat the Swedish foods.
Nababalyon talaga sila yun.
So, on this store, we're gonna go to the amazing places.
Atong kutsara, best.
You get the kutsara. There.
Over there?
Yeah, over there. It's very nice. And we're gonna carefully pushing the straw right now. We're gonna put this. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Where we should go? There or there's? No.
Here.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog guys. So we are here in IKEA, the food of the Swedish. So we are the food, this is our food.
1TT.
1TT, this is our food.
Kunin yung D6 ha.
And the unlimited soft drinks.
Soft drinks.
Get ready to hear the pit.
We're gonna take pictures with the cheers because this is our last dinner.
Isang kalun.
Wait this.
Wow.
Do you have the 16 volts? Game.
Wow.
Wow. Very clean. Very demure.
Very cutesy.
Pretty cutesy. Very well.
Yeah, Sweden.
Madami kami food dito guys.
Dapat natin ubusin kasi ang gastos natin.
$1.
Pakadami. Pero thank you Lord because it's the provision.
Yes.
Take note, the Wi-Fi is free so you can
connect.
Anywhere. Ay,
You can connect anytime.
For the couples, you can see. This is the Swedish menu.
We have the flag.
Yeah,
And
the
the
flag.
Philippines.
We're proud to be Swedish.
Okay.
Pwede na mo ito. Ano ba yan? Tagalog tuloy ako. Dapat talaga English yun eh. Mga kauban ko guys, nababaliw na.